This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, April 23rd, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough digging in across the western half of the country, some energy moving into the western Great Lakes, some hanging back over the Four Corners region. This will be sweeping a cold front through the state with some early day showers, maybe a wintry mix. Most of the precipitation should be out of the state by the early to mid-afternoon hours, slowly clearing late with highs in the 40s to near 50. But then Wednesday, it's much cooler. Highs likely only in the 40s to low 50s, be quite brisk early, and then the winds lighten up, and another system comes in from the northwest Wednesday night into early Thursday that could bring a little bit of rain or rain-snow mix, not very heavy precipitation. And Thursday temperatures still likely in the mid-40s to middle 50s, but the winds turn southwesterly late Wednesday or Thursday into Friday, and this will bring temperatures back up into at least the mid to upper 50s to lower to middle 60s. Rain to our south will most likely miss the state now, according to this run, maybe clipping the far south and southeastern counties Friday afternoon into Friday night. By Saturday, that's off to our east. We still have some seasonally warm temperatures with 60s mainly across the state, maybe approaching 70 in some areas. And by Sunday, we could see temperatures maybe mid to upper 60s to mid 70s across the state, but there'll be a system coming closer, maybe a scattered shower around Sunday afternoon, not very widespread. But Monday into next week, the frontal system will come a little bit closer, so we could see some more scattered showers and thunderstorms. Could see severe weather. The low pressure is well up to our north, so we'll have to wait and see. A week from today, that system and the trough axis is now into the Great Lakes. A ridge begins to build across the central and southern plains into the Four Corners region, and that's going to spell warmer weather as we head into the beginning of May. Even with high pressure coming in behind this cold front, it doesn't really cool off. Maybe back to near 60 for highs. Much better than going back into the 40s for highs that we're going to have this week. So, spring is coming. A couple days after that, May 4th, we have an omega-type pattern. We have a cutoff low over the mid-Atlantic. We have a ridge building across the center part of the country and a bit of a trough over the west, not a very strong one. But around here with this ridge in place, that's going to keep us high and dry and fairly seasonal, with temperatures likely in the 60s to lower 70s. It's nice to say that normal is now in the 70s by this point as we head toward early May. And at the end of the forecast on May the 8th, no real strong westerlies. Most of the stronger westerlies are up to our north along the U.S.-Canadian border and into Canada. Cutoff feature off the Canadian Maritimes. Another over the southwest could bring some scattered showers there. Maybe a shower or two if this is right around here with seasonal temperatures in the 60s to lower 70s. So no real cold air, so it may be time to plant some of your plants in a week or so. Satellite image from last evening showed the storm system overhead with some showers, a little bit of snow across our northwestern counties yesterday evening, some thunderstorms across Oklahoma, and one storm system moving off the east coast, and nothing really well off to our west. Watch morning map from last evening. We still had some winter weather issues from Minnesota and Wisconsin. We had some winter weather issues also across Kansas, along with some hard freeze and freeze warnings there. A remnant severe thunderstorm watch in Oklahoma, and flooding continues in the center part of the country. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Most of the precipitation you see here will have fallen last night and into today, and only very light, upwards of a half inch, the heaviest well off to our south.